Are you tired of scrolling through your phone aimlessly? What if I told you that you could make some extra cash while doing it? In this video, we'll be going over the top apps that will help you earn some money right from your phone. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of earning apps. Swagbucks is the ultimate money-making app with an amazing rating of 4.8 out of 5 on iOS and 4.3 out of 5 on Google Play. This app offers a wide range of ways to earn money, from taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, to even playing games. Swagbucks has it all. The app rewards you with points for every task that you complete, and these points can be redeemed for gift cards from popular retailers such as Amazon, Best Buy, and Walmart. The best part? You can also choose to receive cash payment via PayPal. So if you're looking for an app that offers it all, Swagbucks is the perfect place to start. Rakuten is another top-rated app that offers up to 40% cash back at over 3,500 partnered merchants. All you need to do is search for the retailer in the app, click the link, and shop as usual. It's that simple. For in-store purchases, you can link your card and activate cashback offers before checking out. And the best part? Sign up using our link for a $30 bonus on your first qualifying purchase. Minimum withdrawal is only $5. But note that payments are not available on demand. Your cash back will be paid automatically every 3 months via your choice of PayPal, Paper Check, or American Express rewards points. If you love sharing your opinions, then Survey Junkie is the app for you. With over 10 million members, this app is one of the most popular survey platforms out there. They have a large inventory of available surveys that generally take 5 to 15 minutes each and can pay up to $5. The downside to Survey Junkie is the high disqualification rate, as you may not qualify for all surveys available on the platform, or you may get kicked out after answering a few questions because you don't fit the demographic. But if you're persistent and qualify for surveys, it's a great way to earn some extra cash on the side. As the loyalty program for gamers, Misplay is a free gaming app that rewards you with points for playing games on your Android smartphone. Sometimes you must provide Misplay with feedback on the game itself. In other cases, you're required to reach certain in-game milestones, like leveling up. Your points can be redeemed for gift cards to major retailers like Amazon, Starbucks, and the Nintendo Store. Minimum withdrawal is 1,500 points, which is roughly equal to $5 in value. You earn cash back on your everyday purchases like groceries, clothing, and electronics. All you have to do is scan your receipts after purchase and get cash back. You can also link your store loyalty cards to get seamless cash back automatically. With over 1,500 retailers partnering with them, you can save a lot of money in the long run. The minimum withdrawal is only $20, and you can receive your payment via PayPal, Venmo, or gift cards. Make extra money with these top money-making apps. From surveys to cashback and rewards to gaming, these apps offer you multiple opportunities to earn real cash right from your phone. So start earning today with our recommended apps. Download these apps from Play Store and Apple Store, or you can go directly through our links given in the description or in the comment below. So hurry up,